What will all this look like? Well, for one, you'll be fully set up with Google Analytics 4. This is what it will look like with and without our services. You'll be fully up and running. Getting started is easy. First, try and decide whether you need a standard or bespoke deployment. To help you understand the difference between a standard and bespoke deployment, we provided some pre-assessment considerations here. So standard is generally suited for startups and small businesses with one website, under 200 URLs, with one conversion goal, no need for historical universal analytics data, no need for training, and no need for reporting. You can always add these on later. Bespoke is more for e-commerce, SaaS, businesses with multiple websites, multiple conversion goals, specific event tracking requirements, a defined marketing strategy, multiple stakeholders, enterprise level, lots of historical data, and potentially the need to keep backups. Training is required, reporting is required, such as dashboards, monthly PDFs. Don't worry too much if you're unsure, as we can confirm this all with you during the readiness assessment. We'll organize a kickoff consultation with you to get a better understanding of your unique needs and key analytics stakeholders. During the kickoff, we'll ask you for access to your current Google Analytics account and Google Tag Manager if you have it. From there, we will undertake the technical components of our surface audit and readiness assessment. We compile all your results into an easy to follow report with your readiness score and outline key priorities for your migration to the new Google Analytics. This is a great opportunity to ask as many questions as you want, and we're happy to discuss how we can give you as much or as little support as you need with your migration. So step 1 is the readiness assessment for both standard and bespoke deployments and costs $1,200 plus GST. Step 2 includes the full standard deployment or the bespoke design phase for $4,800. This can be paid in 4 monthly installments of $1,200. Steps 1 and 2 come to a total of $6,000 plus GST AUD. Step 3 only happens for the bespoke deployment, where the more customized setup is rolled out as well as any optional extras. The cost for this is determined and a proposal is sent through at the conclusion of step 2. So to summarize, with a standard deployment, you get the readiness assessment, a data audit, we do the measurement strategy for you, configure GA4, migrate from Universal Analytics to GA4, configure Google Tag Manager, and you will get the default GA4 interface, all for $6,000 plus GST. With a bespoke deployment, you get the data audit, a comprehensive measurement strategy workshop done with you, followed by a deployment plan and proposal based on our findings and outcomes of the workshop. We'll identify the optional extras you need, such as training, data warehousing and backup requirements, converting or setting up dashboards, updating your reporting if not using dashboards to plug into GA4 data, and customizing the interface to match your funnel, all for $6,000, and a proposal for the deployment that matches your custom needs. All right, so let's get your Google Analytics 4 deployment underway. Simply book a readiness assessment for $1,200 plus GST. So what are you waiting for? Get your assessment today by clicking the button below or visit go.kwasi.co/GA4 and get everything you need to prepare for a successful Google Analytics 4 migration. Thank you.